In this video, I'll show you how you can repair your League of Legends client. Now this is super simple guys, so let's get straight into it. First you want to open up League of Legends as usual, and when you come to the sign in page right here, what you want to do is come up top, go to settings, find League of Legends, and then go to repair. Now when you press repair, it's going to repair your League of Legends client, and it's going to look for any issues or anything that's wrong with your client, and it's going to try and fix them. So that's basically how you can do it. Now if it's not letting you go in there, what you can do is come down here and go to Task Manager, open up Details, click anywhere, find League of Legends, should be under Riot Client, yep, and then End Task. Make sure Riot Client is ended and then try and reopen and do the repair. That's basically how you can do it guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.